Let's see. Mic test, mic test, mic test, mic test, mic test, mic test, mic test. Okay. So let's see. Let's start. I'm going to put a 2-hour timer. Let's see. Let's start looking at my plan. So let's see. So add sort for habit list is kind of easy. Okay, so what time is it now? So I should be able to work from to code refactor. Let's see. The most important part is designing a better habit, but let's just do this. Let's see, how long is it going to take me to do a sort? So let's put a timer on this. Add sort for habit list. Let's put music. Sure. I kind of want something more uplifting. Okay, so we are. Let's see. Let's start the habit tracking app. Okay, so this is current habit tracking app. I have to. Let's see. What hotkeys do I have for this? Focus bar. Where's settings? Okay, setting. What is integration? Mm, hmm. Mm, voice assistant. Sunny. She can help you review your tasks, add adjustings. Okay. So, what is this beta stuff? Sure. Unboxing. Okay, so let's. What's the easiest way to add a task? Hey Siri, add reminder. Hey Siri, add reminder. Oh, okay, it's on my phone. Okay, let's see. Let's not get distracted. Okay, so what happened here? So this is refactor codevis. This is clerk authentication. This is code rabbit code review. Code base refactor for readability. Okay, so let me. Okay, so okay, this wasn't working before. So what are we looking at? I don't see it. So sort habit. This isn't that important. So this is kind of like a good background task I could work on. So let's see. So currently the error is fixed, but I don't see the sorting function. Maybe it's somewhere and I don't see it, or maybe it's not there. Send. Make this a little bigger. Okay, so let's work. Okay, so what is the next thing? Okay. Do I have, okay. So currently the habit decay doesn't seem to be working. Everything goes up by 3%, but I don't see anything ever decay when you don't do a habit. Maybe I'm not understanding it. Maybe we have the shield mechanics that are implemented that I'm not understanding. So let's try to get the habit decay working. Send. Send. So, okay. Okay, so this is working here, and I have to find, let's see, why doesn't this work? Uh, I have to find a different way to. I can't use cursor. Like right now, I'm on the cursor ultra plan, but it's not really working well for me. It's just costing me too much money. But okay, how do I get this to work? Brew install. Uh, Pre-built. Create a project. Create a session from the prompt. Uh, how does this work? How do I? let's see. Oh wait, so I have this already. Uh, crystal, crystal. Okay. Okay, let's see if I could use this to kind of replace cursor or supplement cursor. Let's see. Okay. What? So, okay. Okay, so let's see. So, okay, so we're working on three things. Let's see what else we could work on. But, okay, so now we're working on these two things. Let's start working on. Let's start working on the habit edit page. Oh, okay, I see. That toggle is not good. Okay, but let's let's work on the habit edit page. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to think what's a good outline here. I'm gonna write all the features that I want, and try to make a plan for try to make a plan. Let's see. Let's let's go. Okay, so how would I do this? Do I do PM? Let's create an epic for habit details page. Okay. So I'm trying to think what is actually useful. Okay. Okay. So this habit here, let's see if can I share this screen? Screen mirroring. Um, let's point at the project, add project, browse, put it here. Is it this one? Habit tracking should be this one, but why did it say October? Or is it on iCloud? Okay, let me see. What is the path here? Okay, I'll start figuring that stuff out later. So, does this need something? Okay, this is not done yet. And have a decay method. I could only really work on okay, add sort. Okay. So, okay. So let's see. So let's plan an epic for the habit details page. Let's see functionality. and then eventually UI UX for the habits details page. Send. So, okay. But in my head, let's see. So let me create a habit. Keep free. So let's create a habit. What habit do you want to build? That's okay. Create habit. That's okay. So, and then the reason I'm creating the habit, I just want to see because I have habit templates. Uh, deep work. Okay. I don't want this screen here. See search now. So, okay. This deep work one. Okay. So deep work. Okay. So in habit details, it doesn't have to be habit details page. It could be so I'm trying to think what actually helps people do a habit. Like what motivates you to want to continue your habit. So I know one thing. So if I think about stats section, um, I know one thing that keeps me motivated is when I see streaks, but that could be kind of in the stats section, streaks, calendar view. Um, let's see. We'll turn habit details page into a clear, epic PRD, define goals, user journeys, functional requirement, edge cases, and acceptance criteria, then outline. I'm going to run the planning workflow. Okay. So is this done? Oh, okay. So let's see. Habit sorting settings. If your habits already happen to be in the list won't be visibly moved. Try to confirm. Okay. But let's see if it works. And then let's see. Let's try to get a UI UX for this because this is not good. Let me remove it. Okay. So this is alphabetical sort. So let's put this. Let's put this one below it. Why doesn't it? Long press. Why doesn't it let me adjust? Okay. I can't adjust it if they're sorted. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, but what I could do, let's put okay. It puts it to my order. Okay, so let's see. Let's think of a better UI UX for this. Send. Send. Okay, so okay, habits. Is this stuck on anything? Oh, this is ChatGPT 5.2. ChatGPT 5.2 is slow. Okay, so let's see. Let's. Okay, so let's continue just planning this out. So, okay. So there's going to be a stats section. So stats section is just going to have basically your habit strength, your streak. So let's write this down. Habit strength, streak, calendar, heat map. But is all that stuff is good. So what's going on here? So let's see. Went wrong. No, the K-pop was being used, both, which never counts for miss the days. So strength only went up unless you manually unchecked past completions. What I changed, the K now works. It applies from within the 7-day shield. Rewired both. Made the K visible even without toggling. Okay, let's see. So let's see if I refresh. Wonder if it has to be a new habit. Manual? What is this? Uh, okay, so let's do. If I don't do it today, I'll do it here. I don't see habit strength working. Skipping it over. Oh no. Let's. I don't see habit decay working. Shoot, did I stop it? I don't see habit decay working. Send. Ugh. This is better, but let's see. Let's see if this still works. Start habits. This isn't that great. Let's see. So let's see. Click this. Okay. This title is good. Habit strength mechanism. What does it say? So I added sorting, but sorting UI UX isn't like that great. So let's do it where when you click the toggle to not sort, you don't see manual. It should just be empty. And then when you click the toggle in the settings for sort, you should see the A to Z send. So I want to do a few things. I want to do a vision board. I want to do something where why are you doing this habit? I want to have stats. So some of the stats are habit strength, streak, calendar. But I'm trying to see where should I place all these things. So one category is stats, which is habit strength, streak, and calendar. And then the other is motivators. So I'm just trying to see where should I place these things, and then creating stories for each one. One thing I could do is, so this habit details page might get too cluttered. Um, or I still see manual. I don't want to see the manual. I want that to not show. So only A to Z only shows when the habit sort is toggled, but when it's manual, nothing should show. Send. Okay, let's see. What are small little details that I could possibly fix? Show different ideas. let's for the not header animation for the quick habits. Yeah. In empty screen in the empty habits page, the second section. This isn't good. Uh, in the how do I do this? In the empty habits page, the second section, the select the quick habits. Let's tone down the animation a bit. So let's just make it more subtle and organic. Okay. So what? Okay, so sort habits. Let's have extra sort options. So A to Z, Z to A. Let's do based on habit strength. Let's do based on streaks. Okay, let's see. So let's see. Habit motivators. Is what is now if I do off, at least it turns it off. Okay, cool. Hydrate first. What is this? Habits epic page. What are we doing? Okay. Uh, Placement where each thing's recommend the mental model. Action. Action. Do you think it'd be too cluttered to have this all in one page? Send. So, okay. So, okay, that gives me a kind of good direction. Let's see if I get this to Crystal. Okay. What's the path to my repository? Let's see, new project now. So initializing. Okay. Okay, wait. How this maps to above the fold, split vision board and or notes into their own screen if vision board becomes image heavy. Okay. Can we start working on this? Send. Okay. Te lo dejo que está caliente. ¿Cómo está el nieve? La arena está súper ayuda. Like, the sort toggle is not working. Toggle is giving me the right options, but in settings, it should just be a display toggle, and the actual toggle options should be when you click the sort button in the main page. The sort toggle. Ugh. Keep working on the feature.